Okay. Well, let's stay on this theme for, let's say, like designing solutions to problems to like exploit different areas in, like, say, aerodynamics specifically.
Yeah.
How has, say, like the like AI impacted this field of work? We've all been aware of like the recent craze in AI, like AI and everything. So how has that impacted like some of the work that goes on behind the scene, like say in motorsports?
It kind of makes some things which you would typically spend a lot of time doing, it just makes it a little bit faster. So the general way of working doesn't really change in terms of the types of problems that you're solving. It just ends up being an additional tool in sort of like the arsenal that the engineers have got to work with and to exploit. So it kind of falls into the theme of how can we do more with the resource that we've got, and things like tools like AI is just another tool in that tool set to make you get to the right answer faster.
I see. So I guess what capacity is like artificial intelligence technology used in? Is it like for generating? Because I come from the software world, my context is like just it. Like for example, my go-to tool is like Chat GPT for basic like coding problems, debugging, etc. So like that's my level that I'm operating at. But then for say something like CFD work in CFD, like how does that impact with like generating car designs or like designs of parts, etc.? Does that work in that capacity?
I think with AI, it's important to understand how these different models operate and kind of what they're good at and what they're not so good at. So I guess things that engineers are very good at is creating new things that have never been seen before. Um, but in order to be able to create these new things, you need lots of simulations and things like that to inform the engineer of where these sort of lucrative design areas on the car are. So tools like AI, they augment the sort of the simulation set that the engineers have to work with. So you've got CFD simulations, you've got various types of CFD simulations. Some are unsteady, some are steady, and then you've got your machine learning kind of tools as well. Um, I wouldn't say at the moment we're not really in the space where AI can kind of give you a completely new shape um, better than a well sort of trained and engineer can. I think you can use it to sort of optimize and refine, but I guess the actual innovative rule exploiting kind of ideas currently that's still done by humans.
I see. So you can't ask like an AI, like give me the perfect F1 car or something like that. Still a long way down. So,
Not yet. Still,
yeah.
still, still a little bit to go on that. Yeah, yeah.